Hey YouTube, how's it going? Hope everybody's doing well out there during these hard times of coronavirus, and I hope everybody's using their mask and gloves and sanitizers and staying safe as much as possible. All right, let's get into it. So we'll be learning about HTML tables, introduction to tables. So this is what we're gonna be going over. So this is the table of contents. So HTML tables, learn how to use tables to present tabulated data to users. Okay. Okay, let's get into it. HTML tables, introduction of tables. There are many websites on the internet that displays information like stock prices, sports scores, invoice data, and more. This data is naturally tabular in nature, meaning that a table is often the best way of presenting the data. In this part of the course, we'll learn how to use the HTML table element to present information in a two-dimensional table in the users. Let's get started. Take a look at the code in the body of index.html. What new code do you see? So we see table, th head, tr, th, and then some text here. And we see some th again and some text here, number of items to ship. And then we see tr. Then we see a closed t head and t body. And then we see some tr and td. So we see some new text that we haven't seen before. All right, let's go. So create a table. Before displaying data, we must first create the table that will contain the data by using the table element. So this is table, then this closed table, / table. The table element will contain all of the tabulated data we plan on displaying. So in the index HTML create a table. So we'll put it right here. So we'll create the table / table close. Make sure that's next to each other. We'll run it. All right, in this section right here, we learn how to use the element table, the table element. Let's go next. Table rows. In many programs that use tables, the table is already predefined for you, meaning that it contains the rows, columns, and the cells that will hold data. In the HTML, all of the components must be created. The following steps in entering data in the table is to add rows using table row element tr. So this is table, table row, table row, table row, table row, and then close table. So table row, close table, table row, close table. In the example above, 2 rows have been added to the table. Add 2 rows to the table in index HTML. Okay, we'll add these table rows. Okay, that's tr / and then do it again. Open tr / tr, then close that less than greater than signs, and then we run it. All right, cool. We learned how to use the table row element in this section. That's what we learned. So let's go on to the next one. All right, table data. Rows aren't sufficient to add data to a table. Each cell element must also be defined in HTML. You can add data using the table data element, TD. So this is table row, table data, then text here, then close table data, then table data, text right here, this 81, then close table data, then you got close table row, and then table. In the example above, 2 data points, 71 and 81, were entered in the row that exists. By adding 2 data points, we created 2 cells of data. If the table were displayed in the browser, it would show a table with 1 row and 2 columns. Alright, so in the second row, add 3 cells of data, The cells should contain the following data in order. All right, let's do that. So let's put TD here. We'll do this TD, table data, Adam, green, work. And then close that with TD. Okay. And then we'll do this one. Wait, we could, yeah, let's try that. Table data, 14, close table data. And we will add another, let's run that. I want to check that out. Oh, nice, 424. Did you add 3 cell data? No. So we'll add this one, package items. So package items and close that with TD. All right, cool. So this reads table row, table data, table row, table data, table row, and table data, table row. So let's organize this. Let's put this up here. So table, table, table right here, opening table, close table, table row, here's one row, table data right here, and then here's another row. Should probably make another row there to make it more organized. Let's try that. And then we could close that. And then we could open that with table row. Nice. That looks a bit readable. Because this section right here, this closes right here. This opens with table row and closes with table row. This opens with table row, closes with table row. And this opens with table row, closes with table row. It's more readable. Alright guys. So what did we learn? We learned the introduction to tables, what are tables, and how we could use them with creating a table with the table element and then the table row element, the TR, and the table data TD. This is just part 1 of HTML tables. Okay? And we're done. And part 2 will come soon. So, guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And please be safe out there. Make sure you use your mask. Make sure you use your gloves and sanitizer. And try to stay social distancing. All right, guys. That's it. And I'll catch you later. Bye now.